I have here my Ipsy Glam bag, and this is my May 2021 Glam bag. But I got this on the 29th of May, and I know this is gonna be a very late upload, so I cannot show you the whole bag because the two sides of it has my address in it. So let's open this now. Okay, and it says discover yourself, Ipsy. So when I open my bag, I'll just do it this way. What you will see is this complex culture, and it's a brush. We're making things easier, one eco-friendly product at a time, starting with this brush. Okay, and here is the bag for me. Let's put that there for now. And here is the brush. Yeah. Okay, now this is what is this brush? It's an easy crease definer brush, and that's how it looks like. Okay, that's our first item. And oopsie, it's getting tight. Okay, we'll put that here, and let's open the bag. So it says here Ipsy. This is the bag, and that's how it looks like. And it's a rose, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or not. I'm not really sure. So let's open the bag, and that's what you can see. And it says, oh, this is the front. So it says May 2021 Flower Power. The brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin, know-how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. And that's the back. We love moms, and they had a Mother's Day giveaway. Okay, and when you open the card, this is what's in my bag. Now the first one, as we can see, is the Complex Culture Easy Crease Definer, and it's a full size, and it's has a retail price of $18. So that's a good deal because our bag is $12. Now that's the rest of the items. So we'll take it one by one. We'll take everything out. Okay, so we can see what's inside the bag, and that's how it looks like. Okay, there's the Ipsy logo. Let's put it there. So what's the next one in the card? Okay, so this is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion in Spring Blossom. So, and this is floral scented body cream. Now the suggested retail price of the full size is $31, but the full size is 250 ml, and this one is only 40 ml. Okay, and it's sealed. I'm not gonna open that because I have 3 opened bottles of lotion. So let's put it there. And then the next one in the card is this one, and this is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. What is this? a face cleansing gel, Morning Dew, and this one is made in Italy. And it's sealed. Okay. Okay. The retail price of the full size is $25, and that's 1200 ml, and this one is only 20. Okay. And usually these deluxe samples are valued $3 by Ipsy when they sell them. And then the next one is what is this? The Seraphine Botanicals Hibiscus and I don't know how to read that, Balm Glow Lip Mask. Oh, this is a full size. Wow. So this is $25. So I got 2 full size in my bag. And this is how it looks like. It says Seraphine Botanicals. And let's open this. This is made in, and it says not for resale. Okay. I think this one is also made, oh, this one is made in China. And this is how it looks like. It's a lip mask. And this must be sealed. And if it's sealed, I am not opening it. Okay. That's our 4th item in the bag. Let's put this back. And let's put it there. And the last but not the least, I hope, is this tiny Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. Okay, and this one is in dark brown. Okay, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size version is 4.4 grams, which is worth $20. But this one is only, let me check. This one is so tiny, so this is only 1.1 grams. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. It says dark brown. Should we open it? Okay, there you go. This is what I got in my May 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. Okay, so I have 5, and then I received 3. These are 3 deluxe samples, and let's value that one for $3 each. So that's already $9. But I got 2 full-size items, which is, this one is 25, and then this one is 18. So the value for the full size is 18, and 25 is 43. Am I correct? 43 plus 9 is 52, and I only paid $12 for my bag. Plus I also got this beautiful Ipsy bag. So I'm happy with my May 2021 Glam bag. And I'm sorry if this is a very late unboxing and very late upload. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will still like it. And for those who are not subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button, the like and share, and the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone.